Today I'm going to do a show of how to repair a broken jam, or the hole where the deadbolt is going into is damaged. This whole area is broken, damaged, and so I'm going to cut over here up in this area, and then I'm going to cut down below where I drew here. I'm going to take this whole section from here out. I'm going to replace it with a different piece of wood, which is this one. Once I cut it out, I'm going to put this in, drill it in, and then re-drill the hole. And so once I'm done, I can take another shot of a video to show that part. And so right now I'm in the process of cutting this bottom and the top. Once I cut this part, I'm going to use chisel to cut this whole area here, this whole piece here, and then take that out and then replace it with the new piece.